Yo, I'm back, and here's my mess again. The PC got put in this case. I'm very happy with how it looks. RGB works good. A lot more space. We'll have plenty of space for upgrades in the future. But today we are gonna try to get rid of all that flippity fucking mess over there. Get all the cables basically faded up, and the desk as well. I think I will get rid of that box as well. I need to get that it's in there in the way. The one big problem I have at the moment is that I won't be able to fix today is I have got a I don't know how much, like 15-meter long Ethernet cable. I don't have a shorter one that I could chuck in somewhere, but I have a plan that is, since for this video as well it took a bit long to get it because I got it for cheap, which is a cable management under desk tray or whatever you call it. If it's big enough, I'll try to shove that cable underneath as well, the desk, together with the rest of the cables and the power strip. I'm really hoping that will work, and yeah, that is the plan. I guess I will shut the PC off and yeah, show you the under tray first, and after I show you the under tray I will start doing the magic bit, I would say. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Sorry about making you wait, who was waiting for the next video. I'm back, and yeah, let's crack on. So here we are. I switched up the PC. Everything is as it was just now. I put that there, which we're gonna open together. I only ripped off the address and everything, so I hope it's not damaged because I haven't opened it yet. We'll open it together. I'll show you, and I'll probably leave a link in the description under the video. I got it on eBay for like 20 something pounds, I think. But yeah, he's annoying. He's sleeping in my daughter's counter. He's annoying. We're gonna use that, probably some of that. And if you're wondering why do I have another wet desk there, actually on my gaming channel, if you don't know that I have a gaming channel, or I did have a gaming channel, I still do. I don't post there, but I will and stream now and then as well. The thing is, before I had this desk for more than a year, I used to game on that picnic table that is adjustable. Legit. So basically, why that desk? Simply because if I move it closer, since you're able to raise it so high, I can use it as a camera stand as well. If you're wondering about my camera stand is just a ring light from Home Bargains, like 15 pounds I think. I smacked in my iPhone in there, 4K 60 FPS recording, doing YouTube on budget. Let's open this up, have a look inside. What do we have for 20 something pounds on eBay? I don't know, I think it said it will take about a week or more to deliver it, but it came a lot earlier. It came on a Saturday actually. It's been there for more than a week. I just didn't have time to do the video. I'm hoping it's not bent because, as you can see by the looks of it, the box was squished like that. It was a bit ripped and damaged, but I'm hoping. So it looks like it's in one piece. So what do we have? Is our cable management tray. So you get in a box, just one bag and full of, I don't know, crap or garbage. So it's called Under Desk Cable Tidy Tray Y, or Vivo Home. Made in China, imported and distributed by Such Time Limited. Whatever that is. So yeah, there's the company. I'll throw in a link in the description as well. So we got a manual. Oh, basically it shows you how you can. Oh, okay. So you have two options. Either you can screw it in. I hope you are seeing this. So either you can screw it in, or you can put adhesive strips on it. That's what you get in there. So, oh, you even get some crap that you can stick to the desk and put cables for it. I guess that's neat, but I don't think there's enough for my cables. Oh, you get some Velcro strips as well for cables, which is amazing actually. And it obviously comes with the screws. I'm not sure if they might be alright, they're not going to stick through the disc. Get some washers, some screws. I got my drill over there, which we're going to do because I don't trust strips. The amount of cables I have, A.FarmingForestry strip. Do you think a sticky adhesive tape will hold it? I don't think so. So yeah, I guess we'll have our strips later for the cables, so we will our screws. So this is what it looks like. To me it doesn't look damaged. I mean, it's nothing too fancy. It's what you get for £20. I'm sorry if the mic quality is a bit bad because it's an iPhone. All it does is probably over here I sound fine, but if I come over here it sounds a bit weirder or shittier. If the channel works out and it carries on, obviously I'm going to spend some money on actual proper stand for camera, getting a proper, at least an 80p 60fps camera, or 1440p or whatever you want to call it, 2K camera if there is any, I'm not sure, I have no idea. And as well probably getting some clip-on mics or whatever, so I can talk to and do things. Obviously not always is going to be all about my setup or my PC. There might be some things that I'm thinking of actually reviewing my laser engraver that is over there in the corner. I'm planning to get a 3D printer in, I don't know, start of the year, mid-year, I don't know, next year that is. And yeah, there's going to be more content coming. As well, I'm thinking of starting vlogging real life stuff when me, my fiance and my little one are going somewhere on a trip. We're planning for a big trip next year, which I'm going to be vlogging definitely. And yeah, if we go somewhere interesting out of the town, I'm going to probably record. So yeah, there's that. I'll put this aside at the moment. Okay, we're back. I guess first I'll have to actually clean up the desk. I think I'll just have to rip everything off, right? Unplug everything, rip everything off. I don't know if I can give you a better angle of me being on the desk and doing something dodgy. I guess we're unplugging everything. Because why the fuck would I leave stuff plugged in if I want to do a cable additions, right? And I enjoy talking to myself. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you too. So my beast can come out. I mean, this case is a lot more heavy than the other one. Jeez. I wish it was as powerful as heavy as it is, but look at that knot cable mess. So hopefully I won't have to deal with that anymore. Well, first of all, as well, I said I get rid of this shit too. So I think all the scales are, I don't know where to put them, out of the way. I need them because I'm getting fat and I'm doing a workout, but I need to weigh myself to record it. So I'm using it. Best free app on the world. This is a DDR3 system. I've got no idea what to do with it. Perhaps I could make a test bed and do some experiments with it just for the content, which I could do actually. Just do some silly things. I was thinking actually, what if, because I know it's working for a fact, what if I take, eventually, I can hear my wifey's alarm going off, just ignore that. What if eventually when I get the 3D printer, I try to do some silly things with it, like do a custom liquid cooling or something, and get some parts 3D printed or whatever, 3D print a test bed and whatnot, and I don't know, can make some magic happen, just for science, huh? But yeah, I think that is very possible, and I think I'm gonna leave, because I was gonna throw it out, but I think I'm gonna leave it just for that purpose. And this is the steering wheel I showed you before, I think. I think this is gonna go to my wifey's little brother's house, so he can play it if he wants. Obviously, I'm gonna take it back at some point when we get a house, because we're planning to get a house in the future. So this long Ethernet cable can go and sit down. I can't rip that out, can I? Because that's another power strip. But that is going to the router, so I can get rid of this one, because that is my monitors and all other crap. You can't. What is that safety? You can't. Cool. Never mind. Okay. That's my mic. That's my mouse. This, whatever the fuck, is my keyboard. This is my Stream Deck, which is tied in somewhere. Oh. So that is there. So these are gonna be somehow shoved out there, and we'll move them all to the right side so they're a bit out of the way at the moment. But I don't need them at the moment. So that goes there. And I'm back with kind of a mess back on the desk. It's because it's the next day. I had to stop recording yesterday because I had to, and I'm back again. So I need to get rid of that, put it on the other desk on my left. Over there, I got something else in the box over there. My wifey got me this for Christmas. Well, I have an early Christmas present, so it is what it is. That's gonna go in the setup as well. You'll see that when we put everything back together. But yeah, let me clear up the desk first and start, I guess, placing the rack under the desk. The rack, the tray, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've tied together some cables here, which are HDMI and display port. I mean, no, a display port and a DVI, sorry. And the monitor port cable right here. So this is it. This is from the monitor. So I kind of come up to a stop where I don't know how exactly I'm gonna mount it, because the easiest logical way would be take everything off the desk, flip it upside down probably, and just find the right position for it. But I think what I'm gonna do is, since I've got my fancy metal ruler somewhere, I will have a look roughly how far is the gap between the holes. So let's say it's not quite standard, is it? They're all the same. So it's what, 48 mil and 47.5 mil. Yeah, something like 47.5 mil if you look. No, still not 48. Sorry, yeah, 48 mil apart. So if I do a dot on 0 and 48, that should be fine for middle. And as soon as I have the middle, I should be able to do the other is just on the side while it's on there. So Cosmo, look at this little, already off. That little shit, where did you go? Cosmo, there he is. He's annoying, yeah. So Shiba, hey Cosmo. Roughly eyeball the middle, I guess. How far can I do it? Yeah. From there, I guess. I don't know. Need to go far enough from the back. Roughly there, I guess. Okay. I don't want to have it too obvious out of the center, but this is some DIY shit, so end up there, halfway, and then on there. So that should let me just smack it on there. These screws don't even go through. You have to screw them through. They're not even proper. Holy crap. I mean, I just hope it will at least hold the weight of the cables. And I hope that the screw is not going to fall into my eye like it just did. Not all the way. Hope it doesn't fall on my face. And then put the screw in 2 seconds later. Flipping out. It is actually pretty center. I mean, it is probably off by a little bit, but if you think about it, and I can see it's bent a little. You can see the right corner, I think, is a little bit more down than the left. I think that's the shipping, because in the box was a bit crooked, so. I will be able to put this cable up there like I want it, which is good. Okay, so try to hide the cable somehow. First, don't tell me it's cross-threaded in my GPU. And I've got my display port. I'm going to sort out everything after, lengthwise. Still need to put everything up. So, like that. Put the display port. Here's my power cable, which is over here. As well. That. I'll put another one a bit higher to get things out of the way. As high as possible, I guess. Where do they go? That's it. Come on. It doesn't stick to my sock. I did. I'm all covered in cat hair. Because when you have cats, you have fur. And fur is fucking everywhere. And I have 4 cats. 3 cats with fur. So there's 3 times the fur everywhere. So that is kind of done. Use a white zip tie here, I guess, afterwards. Ow! That is nice. Still have to deal with that stupid Ethernet cable that I don't know what I'm gonna do with. Because as I showed you before, it's hella long.